Hey there, tool enthusiasts! Ever stumbled upon a gadget and thought, where has this been all my life? Well, today's your lucky day. We're uncovering 16 ridiculously cool tools that have probably slipped under your radar. Tools so unique, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Strap in and get ready to update your toolkit wish list. Hit that like button and let's dive into the world of unknown genius gadgets together. The crab clamp is ergonomically designed specifically for lifting corrugated scaffold sheets. Made from only the highest quality materials, it promises both efficiency and safety in operations. A notable feature of the crab clamp is its innovative dual self-locking system, which eliminates the need for any supplementary tools. Impressively, it can adjust to fit up to 10 sheets, offering a 40% increase in efficiency compared to other market products. Moreover, only 2 operators are required to use the crab clamp, presenting significant labor cost savings. Among its key advantages are a 40% boost in efficiency, faster and safer operations, a durable design, and notable time and cost savings. Introducing the ProCrimp. Revolutionize your fencing tasks. Say goodbye to manual efforts and embrace the efficiency of our state-of-the-art tool. Designed for modern fence builders, the ProCrimp is not only lightweight, but also seamlessly operated with just one hand. Paired with a powerful rechargeable battery, it promises unmatched convenience, even in the most secluded zones of your property. Enhance your fencing game, optimize your workflow, and rank high in search results with this unparalleled fencing companion. The AirSpade 2000 comes with a 25 CFM and a 4-feet barrel, designated as the HT140 model. It employs compressed air to safely expose objects buried underground, from utility lines to delicate tree roots. This tool stands out due to its specialized supersonic nozzle, enabling it to outperform competitors by digging both quickly and efficiently. It's built for durability, yet remains lightweight, and incorporates a safety feature through its deadman trigger mechanism. Its design includes an ergonomic handle shaped like a pistol grip, enhanced with a sturdy rubber grip for comfort. Safety is also emphasized with the inclusion of a user-friendly deadman trigger. The device is fitted with an air pressure gauge to keep track of its operations. It's also worth noting its lightweight fiberglass barrel that is designed with an adjustable dirt shield for added functionality. At the heart of its efficiency is the extra-hardened stainless steel supersonic nozzle. This tool promises a mix of safety, performance, and resilience, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Easily attachable to any drill, these cutters, marked by their gold bits, bearings, and pivot pin, offer swift and precise cuts in sheet metal, including 20-gauge galvanized steel. Choose between the compact HC1 model for 2 to 12 inches diameter holes or the larger HC 2 for 2 to 20 inches holes. Both models come with an English metric diameter gauge and use the same top-notch cutter bit. Prioritize longevity with Malco's renowned gold standard cutter bits, adjustable for extended life and available in multiple pack sizes. The Narval rail drill is a battery-operated machine with dual-speed settings, suitable for both bit and twist drills. It boasts a quick clamping mechanism, ensuring a firm grip on vignole or groove rails and allowing adjustable drilling heights for maximum safety. With a weight of just 16.4 kilograms, 35 pounds, it's easily portable and comes with a handy accessory case. Users benefit from minimal vibrations, LED work area illumination, and a drilling gauge for accurate hole positioning relative to the rail end. Notably silent and emission-free, the Narval drill is perfect for confined spaces, with an instant start, maintenance-free motor. The Milescraft Grabber series is designed with a strong emphasis on safety for woodworking tasks. The basic grabber is versatile, being compatible with a range of equipment such as router tables, table saws, jointers, and band saws. Its primary function is to help users keep a safe distance from sharp cutting tools. The Grabber Plus, an enhanced model in the series, is not only suitable for the same range of tools, but also boasts features like a diamond grip with high friction to prevent material slippage and spring-loaded heels that retract to firmly hold and guide the workpieces. On the other hand, the Grabber Pro stands out as the top-tier push block in the lineup. It's adaptable and works seamlessly with various woodworking tools. Crafted with an emphasis on control, precision, and utmost safety, it showcases a distinctive multi-leg design. This design allows it to glide over both sides of a saw blade, minimizing the risk of kickback. Moreover, its handles are angled to provide superior control throughout the cutting process. Whether you're a woodworking novice or a seasoned professional, the Grabber Pro is an essential tool to have in your arsenal. The Hoffmann Machine Company exclusively offers the IQ Beam and Panel Puller set in the US. This set is expertly designed for tasks like timber and log home construction, framing, and SIP panel installations. Inside a durable carrying case, you'll find three main tools. The IQ Beam Puller boasts an all-steel galvanized construction. It has forged steel hooks that can be easily secured to timber structures and removed with a single hammer blow. The tool's ergonomic PVC handle features a dual-action ratchet. Next, the IQ Panel Puller is fitted with swiveling galvanized steel plates measuring 6 1/4 inches x2 and 1/4 inches and 5/16 inches in thickness. It's designed for versatile panel tightening, thanks to multiple mounting holes. These high-quality tools are originally crafted by the renowned Schwager company in Austria. The Flint Spanmesser is a top-tier wood splitter, perfect for crafting kindling for campfires or fireplaces. This cast iron tool is not only durable, ensuring longevity, but also provides an effortless splitting experience due to its lever mechanism. See its magic in our video tutorial, showcasing its simplicity and safety. Make your firewood preparation a breeze with Flint Spanmesser. The RIDGID B500 is your go-to solution for fast and precise pipe beveling. It's meticulously designed for speed, allowing you to set up and bevel a 10 inches diameter Schedule 40 pipe in a mere 45 seconds. Post-beveling, the pipe remains cool to touch. Consistency is at its core. It ensures an accurate bevel angle around the pipe's diameter for an optimal number of cover passes, and the adjustable land width ranges from 0 inches to 3/16, catering to welders' needs. With 6 replaceable cutter inserts working simultaneously, it delivers a machined finish. The simplicity of the B500 stands out. Its easy setup, patent-pending clamp system, LED speed monitoring, and spark-free grinding operation make it a user favorite. Adjustments can be made in 1/32 inches increments. Built for a range of applications, it handles 4 pipes and larger, including flat plates. The Beveller is equipped for most steel and amp, stainless steel, optimized especially for standard A53 mild steel pipe. Structurally, it boasts a steel frame, making it robust and reliable. Discover more about the B500 and its unmatched capabilities. Discover the next generation of tools with the revolutionary Hilti multi-tool. In our latest video, we delve deep into the standout features that set this tool apart from the rest. One of the most noticeable features is its ergonomic grip, enhanced by an inbuilt LED light. This combination ensures users can handle the tool with ease, even in challenging positions. The brushless motor is another highlight, impressively delivering a speed spectrum of 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations every minute. This is further complemented by a generous oscillating angle of 4 degrees. Prioritizing safety, the tool is lightweight, tipping the scales at just 1.3 kilograms. It features a decoupled head equipped with an AVR function, dramatically minimizing user fatigue. Anticipate the addition of a quick lock dust extraction accessory, set for a 2024 release, which will be an ideal match for the VC range of vacuums. The tool's compatibility with the SMT6, 22, and our 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms tether accentuates its dedication to user safety. Introducing new tube ducts coupling for the EZ Speedy. The ideal mechanism for those seeking an efficient alternative to manual cable pushing. With this tool, not only do you optimize time and resources, but you also ensure the cable remains undamaged during installation. A nod of appreciation to OFS and Jürgen Wittig for their contribution with the flat drop cable. The cordless tube belt Sander RBS-A is a precision tool, ideal for grinding in locations that are typically hard to access. It's particularly suited for tasks such as pipe fitting and VA steelwork. One of its notable features is the adjustability it offers. The sander ensures consistent speed even during heavy grinding, and its head can tilt as much as 60 degrees. Another advantage is the inclusion of a suction connection, which helps maintain a clean workspace by reducing mess. The sander is powered by a 10.8 volts lithium-ion battery, which on a full charge offers at least 30 minutes of robust performance. In terms of its construction, the gearhead is crafted from die-cast aluminium, while the main housing is made of reinforced polyamide. Even with the battery, the device has a relatively lightweight build, weighing approximately 900 grams. When you purchase the sander, the package comes complete with 4 abrasive belts and 2 satin finishing belts. Additionally, both the battery and a rapid charger are included. For those seeking versatility in their grinding tasks, belts designed for a range of materials, from metals to ceramics, are available for purchase separately. An added benefit is the compatibility of the MicroMott battery system, which can power up to 11 professional tools, ensuring you always have the energy for your tasks. The RAIMONDI EasyMove X-Lite is an advanced tile lifting system tailored for optimal efficiency and flexibility. It boasts a lightweight frame with single suction cups, which results in a weight decrease of over 16% compared to its predecessor that used double suction cups. Its distinctive suction cup is fitted with a 115mm rubber pad that's resistant to stains and is made from durable die-cast aluminium. One of its standout features is its adaptability. All its suction cups, central ones included, can be relocated along the device's profiles. Additionally, its crossbars are adjustable and can be inclined to accommodate intricate slab designs. These crossbars come equipped with a movable suction cup for swift adjustments, be it inside or outside the main profiles. All the device's movements and adjustments are seamless, ensuring the frame can be easily modified to match various slab configurations. The EasyMove X-Lite also incorporates sliding handles with a swift lock-release mechanism, ensuring secure slab support. These handles are designed with non-slip and stain-resistant grommets, providing ergonomic utility, especially when mounting on walls. In terms of size, it's versatile, handling slabs as long as 320 centimeters. The minimum lengths it supports are 120 centimeters with crossbars, 100 centimeters without, and 55 centimeters for a setup with 4 suction cups. Its frame can support slabs with a minimum width of 20 centimeters. Buyers also have the option to choose models with or without crossbars, and there's the added convenience of purchasing crossbars and suction cups separately if needed. The tough-built roller stand, designated as TBS 200, is a robust tool specially designed to assist in handling long workpieces like wood or pipes. This stand ensures that these materials remain steady and level. Its structure boasts a box tube frame, enhancing its strength and stability. A noteworthy feature is its chrome roller, which facilitates a smooth glide for materials placed on it. Additionally, for those concerned about storage, this roller stand offers legs that can be folded flat, ensuring it doesn't occupy too much space. Its height is also adjustable, equipped with a lever that locks and unlocks with ease. You can conveniently set the height anywhere between 93 centimeters and 109 centimeters, depending on your needs. A few key attributes include its ability to swiftly adjust in height from 93 centimeters to 109 centimeters. Its design includes galvanized steel rollers, which not only support the materials, but also ensure their smooth movement across the stand. The 5.08 centimeters box tube frame contributes significantly to its robustness. To ensure it stays in place during operation, it comes with custom feet, making it both stable and secure. The stand's entire construction is made of heavy-duty steel, emphasizing its durability and ability to provide reliable support. The SOPPEC PureSPRAY system is a testament to Technima's profound knowledge and skill in aerosol-based ground marking. This system is not just an aerosol. It combines a pigment-enriched paint formulation with a distinct aerosol design, a specialized application nozzle, and a cutting-edge card. Together, these components guarantee pristine marking that consistently maintains its line quality, eliminating the need for any supplementary tools or techniques. A significant advantage is the self-maintenance of the cart, which requires no cleaning post-use. The aerosol's design focuses on optimized pressure and spray dynamics, ensuring quick and thorough marking. In fact, the SOPPEC PureSPRAY system boasts the market's quickest optimal application speed. By pairing the system with the SOPPEC driver application cart and the SOPPEC Tracing Pro ground marking paints, users can achieve an impressive 500 m of marking within a mere 30 minutes. Moreover, this efficiency doesn't compromise on quality. The system ensures clean, precise, and mist-free results. When compared to other products in the market, the SOPPEC PureSPRAY system stands out by offering a performance that's a staggering 40% faster than its nearest competitor. Elevate your DIY game with the Hammer Fist, the neon green sensation that's taking the tool world by storm. Designed as a multifunctional marvel, this innovative tool effortlessly caters to both homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Its versatile stainless steel strike faces adapt to various tasks, while the non-marring mallet ensures softer materials remain pristine. Alright, tool lovers, we've reached the end of our epic gadget discovery. From the handy to the downright genius, these 16 tools have surely surprised many of us. I bet you're already thinking about which ones to add to your collection. If you found a new must-have today, drop a comment below and let us know. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed the discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible finds in the future. Until next time, keep exploring and stay innovative.